Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You're welcome to my channel Nasi YT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to click on this box, then you have to type at 3.5, then you have to click on this box, then you have to type at 2. Then you have to click on this box, then you have to select insert from here. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on the anchor point here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and here. Then select the move tool from here, then increase the screen size. Then select this, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this layer, then click on the ref. Then click on the tick mark. Then drag this in here. Then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this layer again, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then double click on here, then select the red color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then drag this layer under this layer. Then you have to select this layer, then decrease the opacity of this layer. Then you have to select the red layer, then you have to drag this layer in here. Then you have to click on the anchor point, then right click on this layer, then click on the ref. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here, then increase the size of these layers, and click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here, here, here and here. Then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then select these shapes again, then drag these shapes in here. Then increase the size of these shapes again. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to rotate this, then click on the tick mark again. Then you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here, here, here and here and here. Then drag these layers under all layers. Then you have to double click on here, then select the green color, then click on the OK, then lock this layer. Then you have to select the pen tool again, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here, here, here and here. Then click on the color, then select the white color, then select the move tool. Then you have to select the pen tool again, then click on here, here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then click on here, then click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on here, here and here. Then click on the fill, then select this color, then click on the move tool. Then drag these layers in here. So now we have to select this layer. Then you have to double click on here, then you have to select the brown color from here. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this shape, then double click on here, then select the brown color, and click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, select this color from here, then click on the OK. Select this, then double click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then unlock this layer, then double click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then select this shape, then click on the I button, then you have to select the black shape, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Then click on this box, then select this, then click on here, then right click on this layer, then click on the wrap. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then we have to click on the I button again. Then select this and double click on here, then select this color. Then click on the OK, then click on the I button again, then double click on here, then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then decrease the opacity of this layer again. Now we have to design the other things of the business card. So look at this attentively. After open all icons, we have to set these icons in our business card. Then you have to select these layers, then click on the lock icon. Then select these layers, then increase the size of these layers. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the text tool from here, then click on here, then write your name in here. Then select this text, then click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then select the move shape tool, then draw this shape in here. Then select this again, then drag this in here, then click on the color, then select the red color, then select the move tool again. After that, you have to select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then double click on here, then write your number in here. Then click on the tick mark, then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy again. Then double click on here, then write your mail in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this again. Then drag this in here. Then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then select this and press and hold Alt key, then take a copy again. Then double click on here, then write your website name in here. Then click on the tick mark, then select this, then drag this in here, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to drag this in here. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy again. Then double click on here, then write your location in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this, then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Now I have to open your logo, so I am opening my logo from my PC. Then you have to select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then select this, then click on here, then select the white color from here, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set the business card in the mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then have to back to the project. Then have to unlock all layers from here. Then have to select all layers from here. Then have to drag these layers in here. Then have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, we have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.